Sawadika everyone. Welcome back to May's Kitchen. Today I'm so excited because we're gonna make Som Tum. As you see all the ingredients we have gathered today, and my big smile, Som Tum is really one of my favorite dish. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people who've tried Som Tum will definitely say yes to Som Tum. Let's first check the ingredients because we have quite a lot of ingredients, but not to worry, it's actually much more simpler than that. So first thing first, you need to have papaya, like this. This is unripe papaya, that's why it's all green. So you just need some equipment to grate these papaya and turn them into the shred, like these. Like these one. So it looks like a thin shred, and it actually doesn't have a lot of flavor, but it has a lot of texture. So this is what it meant for. But if you don't have papaya, you can go for cucumber or any kind of fruits that has this crispy, sort of like a nice texture, crunchy texture. It all can be replaced. And next, tomato. So we can mix between big and small, ripe and unripe. And then we're gonna need about 1 or 2 or 3 tomatoes, something like this. And then about 1.5 lime, coconut or coconut sugar. So this is actually like this. So it's the kind of like a caramel kind of sugar, but it made from coconut and cane sugar, like this. And then we need to have some of the peanuts. If you like, you can remove some of the skin, but I like the skin on. And then we have shrimp. This is dry shrimp. You can use fresh cooked shrimp as well. You don't have to use dry one. You can use like a fresh one and then boil them before you add into Som Tum. And then we have garlic and chili. This is the small chili that we use. Is quite spicy, so you're gonna have to be careful about this one. And then fish sauce. Lastly, this is long green beans. Some people doesn't like it. Some people like it. So this is really up to your choice. And most important thing is you need this one, wood, pestle, and mortar. If you don't have this, you can use mixing bowl or anything that be able to mix all these ingredients together, and something like that allow you to smash some of these, because some of the garlic and chili we need to smash them to make sure everything is fully mixed. Alright, so when you have all the ingredients ready, let's get started. So first we're gonna add garlic. So I use about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and same about I use about 4 fresh chilies. If you want to be like mild, not so spicy, you can just add 1. But if you want it to be medium, you can add like 3 or 4. But if you want like super spicy, you can add up to 5 or 7. And then we add it in here. Then next we're gonna smash them together. You don't have to peel the skin of garlic because it's actually quite nice. Roughly into something like this. Right, when you get something like this, then it's all about adjusting flavor, because garlic and chili, it gives Som Tum a nice spicy in a different kind. So if you've tried raw garlic before, it actually gives a bit of spice, like some texture, like something's happening in your tongue, and it's nice. Trust me, I loved it. Um, then we're gonna need a spoon. It helps a lot with this. Next, we're gonna adjust the flavor by adding palm sugar. So it needs some sweetness, especially sometimes if you have like, if you make it more sweet than sour and then salty, it's gonna taste really nice. So I'm gonna go heavy on sugar. About 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. The problem is palm sugar is not as sweet as white kitchen sugar. So if you're using regular sugar, you might want to add less than what we add. So I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. Then about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. That's right. It's gonna be quite intense. And then you're gonna mix them together. So when you sort of like mix them, the sugar slowly dissolves. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. So the sugar slowly dissolves and merge together with garlic and chili. Then next we're gonna add some lime. So don't forget to watch lime, because after we squeeze lime juice, we're gonna throw in the whole bunch of lime in here as well. So I'm gonna add one lime, and one after I squeeze, I'm just throw them in. Okay. One more. So yeah, just throw them back, and then again mix them together. Now this is a salad dressing. I would say consider Western cooking, because papaya salad or Som Tum in English is papaya salad. So it's a one kind of salad, and we need a dressing, and this is what we got. It's our own dressing. Wow, very intense. I loved it. Alright, so we can stop right here, and then after we finish everything, and then we can adjust the flavor after. So next we're gonna add the hard texture first. So it will be long green beans. That's the first thing we're gonna add. You can use hand to shred as well, but I think using knife it's faster. So we slice into a smaller slice like this, and then we're gonna smash them all together. I think maybe it's best if we add lime after, so it's easier to mix, because we just want to smash all these long greens, make sure it break. Okay, and then a little bit of dry shrimp. And then mix them all together. And then we're gonna add some tomato. So first slice tomato into wedges like this, and then add them all in. Some people will just slide it up here, right here. They don't need another chopping board. So we're gonna do the same to make it look quite authentic. I'll add about 3 because I love tomato. So 3 would be nice. Okay. And then smash them again. So it's like making mojito. You know, when you add new ingredients, you just want to smash and mix. Wow, it actually smells quite nice. And then we add some peanuts. About 1 tablespoon of peanuts. And last, we're gonna add papaya. You don't have to add a lot. Maybe you can add about half cup or like one cup. This is really depends on your preference. The smell is really good. So if you visit like local market, they're gonna make it, the people who sell Som Tum, they're gonna have like a nice gesture and they can do it way faster than I do. Okay, I'd like to show you what's in my pesto and mortar. It looks like this. Nice, right? Okay. So before we move to serve, let's try the flavor a little bit, because we might want to add more sugar, or maybe we want to add more fish sauce. Wow. I'm gonna add a bit of this. Wow, it actually tastes really nice. So good. And a bit of that as well. It's actually quite spicy. And a whole bunch of lime. And then mix again. Probably gonna add all more tomato because I love them. So it's always about adjusting. You can always add more if you feel like you need more spicy, or you need more or is it too spicy for you. If it's too spicy, you can add more ingredients, and that would turn into like less spicy. I'm probably gonna add a bit more of it. Okay, and when it's done, we're gonna add more of peanut, but we're not gonna smash them any further. Just wanna roughly mix them, and it's ready to serve. Okay, Som Tum is ready. Okay, so it looks like this, and we just serve them into a nice flat plate. And that's it. Som Tum it's ready to serve. It's actually quite simple and it's not that difficult to make. So why not make it at home? Hopefully to see you again in my next class. This is part of our Airbnb experience that we do online cooking class. So hopefully you join me on the another session that we're gonna cook more of Thai food and you'll learn a lot more about Thai food through cooking and our culture as well. So I hope you enjoy today and have a wonderful day and stay safe during this pandemic and COVID. สวัสดีค่ะ Thank you. Bye bye.